Guys, we did it.
It's over 9,000! What?
So this channel has reached 10,000 subscribers, and in the grand landscape of YouTube, that's not a lot, but it's a lot to me, and it's gone way faster than expected. So great thanks to everyone who subscribed, and great thanks to everyone watching the videos, and a huge thank you to everyone sharing the stuff with other people. And a really special thanks to everyone supporting us on our Gumroad. The Gumroad is really what keeps this channel going. Honestly, to me, it's just kind of incredible. The response and the reception to the stuff we've been making on the channel has been really great. I really enjoyed reading through all the comments on the videos, and some of you even sent personal messages just saying thank you for insightful courses. It's just amazing. So in celebration, and as a big thank you to you guys, we're gonna do a 10,000 subscribers special sale on our Gumroad on all of our courses. So if there's something on our Gumroad that you've been eyeing for a while, then you can head over there now and use the discount code Myriad, which fun fact means 10,000 in ancient Greek. And with this code, you'll get 30% off all of our products on Gumroad for the next week. And why 30%, you ask? Well, I just hit 3,000 followers over on my personal account on Instagram, and then I did some super complicated math and came to a 30% discount. And you know, that's as good a reason as any. And if you're not looking to buy anything, but you still want to support the channel somehow, then you can follow me on various social media, for example, on my personal Instagram account. Here I post stuff related to the channel, but also other personal sketches and stuff like that. And you can also follow us on our Critical Giants Instagram account, where we post updates related to the channel. And check out my ArtStation. I usually post high-res photos of everything over there, plus some bonus stuff once in a while. And a really special place where I'm also active is on Reddit. Reddit's a great place, got lots of amazing subreddits, and one subreddit in particular that I'm active on is the /worldbuilding subreddit, where I posted some stuff related to that. So if Reddit's your thing, then check it out. And just as a little retrospective, I thought I would go through some of the comments that you guys have been putting down on the videos. There's some nice ones there. This one turned out really well, just needs moss for added realism. I see what you did there. If you don't know Ian Hubert, you should definitely check out Ian Hubert. But it looks like lots of you know what's going on. Instant follow, great work, man. Well, I thank you for the follow. Great work to you, man. Please model creature which looks like Dino. It's coming. Unbelievably helpful and masterful execution, 100%. Thank you, Potato Face. Dan William writes, a high quality video, 10 out of 10. Keep going, man. I'm keeping it on going. This was an awesome tutorial. You should have way more subs. Thank you. Well, thank you. You're my new favorite Blender YouTuber. Well, I'm my new favorite Blender YouTuber also. You are my guru now. Ha! Take that, Andrew Bryce. But please keep making videos. Shroud, question mark? Why are you blendering? You should stream. What do you mean, bro versus bro? We don't even look that much alike. You're the only one who thinks this. Shroud is doing Blender tutorials now. 42 likes. Okay. One of the most underrated channels on the platform. Aw, that's nice. Thank you. One of the best Blender channels. Don't stop. Thank you, David. This guy's voice is amazing. Well, I don't know what to say. Bro, may God help you the way you've helped us. Your stuff is more than amazing. That's a big statement. I mean, I appreciate it, but wow. Thank you. Amazing work. Sir Fire. Sir. Blender really needed this channel. Subscribed. Well, thanks for the support. It's so nice to watch someone articulate enough to not start each video with "let's jump into it." Looking forward to the series very much. Well, thank you, Andy Klein. I make an effort to vary up the content. Now let's jump into the next comment. Optimized workflow. Inspiring. You're inspiring. One day this video will have millions of views. Very comprehensive. Well, that would be whoa. A hidden gem of a channel. Oh, thank you, Sleepy Jester 597. Whoa, the YouTube algorithms actually delivered a gem. Awesome stuff, man. Sunglasses, fire. I will watch your career with great interest. It's good. Somebody needs to. This channel is going to explode. I hope in the good way. And actually, we have an idea for a video that relates to that. So. Start a video. General Kenobi. You got it. It's literally where that's the reference. Hello there. That's just funny. It's been a while, a tutorial has been this entertaining. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Dude, really glad I discovered your channel this early. Wish you good luck and hope you will continue making videos like this. Your channel will be a big one, trust me. I will put my trust in you, sir. Sir. This is the way YouTubers crown. Straight away, give the answers and be humble to ask, to stick around, to learn why, how, and more. I see many YouTubers who talk a lot, but get to the point in the very last minute, and most times the point is so small, you'll be like, what a waste of time! I totally agree, the Lucid Cannibal. Generally, I want to stay away from doing kind of that clickbaity content where stick around to the end before you get the real meat of the content. I discovered this channel just yesterday, and I've already watched all the videos. This is some quality content. Keep it up. Damn, that's nice. Only the best do tutorials like this, the way you're doing it as opposed to telling how it's done. It's hard to explain, but you're someone who is very easy to learn from. Thank you. It is hard to explain. Could somebody explain it? The singular of vertices is a vertex. Love the tutorial. Guys, it's really nice when you guys give me feedback, so don't hesitate to put feedback in the comments. I really appreciate it. I'm so happy I found this channel. Well, I'm so happy you found this channel as well. Welcome aboard. And here's my absolute favorite comment on the channel so far, and it was put down by Hector. And I can't do it justice by reading it or singing it, so just check it out for yourself, and then it's a good one. Thank you for that, Hector. And there's lots of great comments, and that was just awesome to read through. And I read through all the comments on the channel. And if we grow too much, then maybe I won't have time. But for now, I'm reading everything and considering everything. And I love the feedback that you guys are providing. And once again, a big thank you to everyone. And we've not even been going for that long with the channel. And who knows where we will go in the future. And also remember to check out our Gumroad sale using the discount code Myriad. And that's pretty much it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.